Every AI lab in the world, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, XAI, has a slide in their launch deck bragging about one number, their score on SWE-bench. It's the benchmark that turned can AI code from a vibe check into a leaderboard. And this week, OpenAI's own researchers took a scalpel to it and reported something the industry did not want to hear. First, quickly, what SWE-bench actually is. Researchers scraped over 2,000 real GitHub issues from 12 popular Python projects, Django, scikit-learn, SAMPY, and others. For each issue, they saved the human developer's actual pull request as the ground truth. An AI passes a task by editing the same repo and making the project's test suite go green. It's supposed to be the closest thing we have to can this model do real software engineering work. The problem: nobody had ever gone through those 2,000 tasks one by one to check if they were actually solvable. Everyone just trusted the pipeline. Until OpenAI paid 93 professional software engineers to sit down and hand audit every single task. What they found is uncomfortable. Roughly 30% of the tasks are broken in one of three ways. First, the problem statement is underspecified. The description literally does not contain enough information for anyone, human or machine, to know what fix is expected. Second, the hidden test cases are too strict. They check for one exact implementation, so a correct alternative fix fails. Third, and worst, the tests leak. The hint section of the ticket sometimes contains the exact variable names or logic the test is checking for. Think about what that means for the leaderboard. If a third of your exam questions are broken, a model that guesses aggressively on ambiguous ones can look smarter than a model that reasons carefully and refuses to guess. A model trained on GitHub data can accidentally memorize the leaked answers. Every state-of-the-art claim from the last 2 years has been partially measuring the wrong thing. OpenAI's fix is called SWE-bench Verified, a cleaned subset of 500 tasks that the human auditors confirmed are solvable, unambiguous, and don't leak. When frontier models were rescored on Verified, the absolute numbers actually went up, because the impossible tasks were removed. But the gaps between models changed. Some previously hyped models lost their lead. Some quieter models jumped. There's a bigger lesson here, and it isn't really about OpenAI or Anthropic or Google. It's about the entire habit of treating a single number as truth. Benchmarks are software. Software has bugs. And when billions of dollars in valuation ride on a leaderboard, nobody has an incentive to audit the leaderboard until someone does, and the whole ranking shuffles. So what should you actually do with this? 3 things. 1. Any AI coding claim from now on, ask which benchmark and which version. Verified or original. 2. Be suspicious of any single number ranking, in AI or anywhere else. 3. Watch what the labs quietly stop bragging about. That's where the real story is. If this was useful, subscribe. We cover the AI stories the press releases skip. Drop a comment. Do you trust any AI benchmark right now? See you in the next one.